In 1572, the witch Malkin is imprisoned underground by Gregory, the last of the Falcons, a knightly order which defended mankind against supernatural threats. Years later, Gregory works as a spook, or roving witch hunter. Malkin escapes, killing Gregory's apprentice William, and fleeing to her mountain fortress. She restores the fortress and the beauty of her disfigured, loyal sister, Bony Lizzie. The coming centennial blood moon will make Malkin unstoppable. Gregory seeks out Tom Ward, the seventh son of a seventh son, as his new apprentice. Tom's mam gives him her necklace as a talisman, urging him to wear it always. In a town, Tom sees a girl, Alice, about to be burned as a witch. Recognizing her from his clairvoyant visions, Tom frees her. Alice requests that he not tell Gregory about her. She is revealed to be Lizzie's daughter, sent to spy on Gregory. Malkin begins gathering an army of minions. Tom meets Gregory's assistant, Tusk. With only a week before the blood moon is full, reviving Malkin's full power, Tom must rush through his training while the trio head to Malkin's fortress. En route, Gregory is summoned to a walled city by an inquisitor whose forces have subdued one of Malkin's followers, a werebear named Urag. Tom hesitates when instructed to burn the werebear alive, causing Gregory to dismiss him and light the flame himself. Tom meets Alice again. The two share their feelings for each other and fall in love. They briefly consider running off, but Tom has a vision of Malkin killing Gregory and unleashing destruction upon the world. Tom returns to Gregory, who reveals that he once loved Malkin, leading him to imprison rather than kill her. Gregory feels responsible for every person killed by Malkin, and warns Tom never to show mercy to witches. The trio are attacked on the road by an enormous boggart. Tom kills it and survives being swept down a waterfall. He is confronted by Bony Lizzie, whose attack is repelled by his mam's necklace. Gregory recognizes it as the Umbran Stone, which increases the power of witches. It had once belonged to Malkin, until one of her witch followers, Tom's mam, stole it, weakening Malkin enough for Gregory to trap her. Malkin instructs Alice to steal the stone, promising to spare Tom's life. Malkin and her minions destroy the city where Urag was killed, to avenge his death. By chance, Tom's family is in the city. His mam kills the warlock Strix and confronts Malkin with her own powers. Malkin kills her, mocking her for giving away the stone that might have saved her life. Alice finds Tom and pleads with him to leave with her. Gregory tries to kill her, but Tom intervenes, allowing her to flee. Gregory points out she has taken the necklace, and Tom, Gregory and Tusk pursue her. Malkin's servant Radu attacks them. He captures Gregory and drives Tusk and Tom over a cliff, leaving them for dead. Tom wakes to a vision of his mam telling him that, as both the seventh son of a seventh son, and the son of a witch, he has a unique power to defeat Malkin. The witches gather as Malkin attempts to seduce Gregory. Alice is horrified when told that Tom is dead, and grabs the stone from Malkin, breaking Malkin's hold on Gregory. Malkin transforms into a dragon, and Lizzie also transforms to protect her daughter. Tom retrieves the stone and, fighting together, Gregory, Tom and Alice kill several of Malkin's minions. Malkin kills Lizzie but is seriously wounded. Gregory follows Malkin into her room and confronts her. Appearing close to death, she recalls their relationship, but then seizes Gregory with her claws. Tom enters and hurls a blade at Malkin, making her release her grip. Tom kills Malkin and they burn her body. Gregory brands Tom's hand, declaring him a Falcon Knight. Alice accepts that Tom's vocation means they cannot be together, but promises they will meet again. Gregory leaves for parts unknown, leaving Tom and Tusk to continue his work, but urging Tom not to follow the rules.